Hey y'all, so Gene's out here working on the backyard trail. We had to get out the dozer because there's lots and lots of snow. Let's step outside for a minute and see what he's doing. It's very windy, so gonna be pretty epic out there. It's gonna be very deep this time around because of the snow and the drifts. Like I said, it's really windy out today, so between the sound of the dozer and the wind, the audio might not be that great. It is the summer solstice, or the winter solstice today, the shortest day of the year. It's about 12:15 now. It's about as high as the sun's gonna get today, right there over the mountain. Sunrise was at 10:45 today, and sunset is at 2:44 or something like that. We've got 4 hours and 10 minutes. Look at him waving at us. Wait for a second, but now it's turning on. After he gets it plowed through with the dozer, we're gonna go back in and hit it with the Ranger just to get it cleaned up. But I'm gonna head back inside now because it is about 10 degrees outside with a wind chill factor of about 21 below. So I'm getting a little chill. Even I can get cold. You got that trail cut open pretty good. Don't mind the noise in the background. It's just the psycho dogs mad because they're locked in the bedroom. Well, the trail has been dozed. We're about to go out there and hit it with the Ranger just to clear it up. It is still very windy. It's actually the next day now, but it's still very windy outside. Hard to breathe when it comes at you because it's very strong and super cold. There it is, all nice and dozed and ready to go. We'll hit it with the Ranger and get it all cleaned up and looking pretty. We got the bonfire area cleared out because that's what we're going to be lighting on New Year's, as long as it's not this windy. Yeah, nice big bonfire for New Year's. Well, it will be. Alright, so let's go get in the Ranger and get this cleaned up. So we're about to take the Ranger out to clear out the back, get it all nice and pretty. But Gene here is throwing in some wood just to give it some weight, and so it's easier to plow. There were some comments I got last time when it was doing a little fishtailing about needing chains or something. I want to point out he was doing that on purpose. Diesel's in there, ready to go. He just finished some pizza crust, so happy puppy. There's part of the wood pile. It's a large wood pile, but smaller than normal. Alright, so we're about to head to the backyard trail now. I know, it's been a process. He's just fixing the plow there, getting it all straight in the direction he wants it. I'm gonna move things manually on it. Although it doesn't normally take this long. I hope nothing's wrong. Diesel, the plowing puppy. Are you gonna start whining? Is something wrong, Diesel?
I have to do a little bit of straight plowing. Plow's froze. I gotta break it loose.
That's what the problem was. Apparently the plow is frozen.
The swivel part.
The swivel part.
Shake it up a little bit and break it loose.
Diesel started whining while you were out there. Yeah. There's the boat. Wasn't really intending on filming that today, but looky, boat. It's a pontoon boat. Do you have a video of us out on the lake fishing? It's a very short video, honestly. It's, I think, a reel or short, not even a video.
Start rolling the snow.
Yeah, Dad says every time we go to Fairbanks, Diesel just sits there and cries and cries and cries and cries. When we went up on Friday, I guess Diesel spent like 2 hours crying until Dad had Diesel just go get in bed with, or go get on the chair with him, and that seemed better. I'm not really sure what is going on out there. So now we're back at it again. Oh, he says not really, but it'll work for now.
I'm sorry.
Yeah, so somehow I ended up with a bruised rib. I'm guessing it has something to do with him. But dear husband here knows I have a bruised rib, and so is choosing today to plow into the wall of snow.
Oh, no.
Yeah, sleep last night was excruciating. If any of y'all have any tips on how to deal with a bruised or fractured, damaged rib, that would be amazing. Put them in the comments below. sore. I probably shouldn't be out here doing this right now. But, you know, some things are just worth it.
Yes, they are.
So, we've got Christmas just around the corner a couple days from now. Do you guys celebrate Christmas, or what do you celebrate this time of year? I know there's holidays for everybody, really, in December. And I do believe the plow just, the plow just stopped plowing.
Yeah, we blew a fuse.
We blew a fuse. Again, didn't we blow one like a week ago?
Yes,
A week ago or so. Yeah, well, you were gone. The fuse was blown.
I gotta go and
Seems like we're going to be chilling here for a little while.
I hit my jumper wire. I'll be right back.
So Gene is out there working on the fuse. Diesel's in here losing his mind because Daddy's out there working on the fuse. Watch what happens though. Watch. So I'm going to come over here. I'm going to open the door. Do you want out? The door is open. Do you want out? No? Alright, well, I'm going to shut the door. Alright, well, he's got the fuse fixed. The plow goes up and down again. Diesel here finally decided to go outside for like 5 seconds. You can see how windy it is. Look at his hair. He's blowing. He'll love that part of the video when he watches it. When all else fails, grab the hammer. That is my philosophy. Some people know this. There was a point in time when I wasn't allowed to be around hammers. That's a story for another time. So over there is the fire pit. Get a closer look at it right now. It's very snowed covered, but it'll be cleared out. And the snow will melt away very fast once we get a fire going, that's for sure.
Oh, yeah.
It turns into a very messy, dangerous, icy moat. And it's intense when that happens. It is. So I've noticed that I've got a lot of viewers from Egypt, which I think is amazing. I've always loved ancient Egypt. It's been something that I've learned in school. We studied it in like 7th grade, and I just was obsessed with it since then. So to find out that my second highest viewership is from Egypt is pretty amazing for me, actually. So where are you from? Are you from Egypt? How did you find my videos? If you're not from Egypt, where are you from? I've also got people in South America and Britain and Canada, you know, all over the world, which is pretty awesome. So yeah, let me know where you guys are. Do you get snow where you are? Do you get a lot of snow, a little snow? What's your weather situation like? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to say hi to Diesel, the plowing puppy. soon. Yeah, it's already starting to blow in because we've got a lot of wind coming. Even though this was all dozed up yesterday again. See, we got some new snow drifts coming in here. But hopefully there won't be another 2 weeks or so away and we'll be able to keep up with this a little better.
Oh yeah, every time it snows it falls now.
I say we, who am I kidding? I just sit here, he does the work.
It's a labor of love.
Yeah, he does enjoy doing it. The leaves are just flying, look at that.
I'm gonna have to
Wow, look at all that snowdrift coming in. All this right here is snowdrift. It was windy tonight. You may have, like in some of the earlier parts of this video, because I've been working on this video for the day or so, clipping together. But you could hear the wind in some of the other ones. All right. Separation issues much? You think that's bad? You should see what happens when I leave. Now these trucks over here, someone parked them there like 2 years ago, and they're still just chilling. I think they've been abandoned. Every summer I expect them to come do something with them and nothing happens. Clearly dealing with a plow issue or two today. Some days are like that though, aren't they? He agrees. This is the most hop-along snowplow we've done. That's okay. Like I said, some days things just don't go right. Look how high that's getting. You know. Question for y'all. When you're watching these videos, do you think, oh my god, that looks like so much fun, I wish I had that much snow? Or are you watching these videos to be thankful that you don't?
I wish we had more snow.
Well, I always wish we had more snow, but I didn't move to Alaska for the heat. probably in a couple days. We are going to have a special guest. It's going to be a special surprise guest with us plowing next time. So don't forget to stay tuned for the special surprise guest. The surprise guest is a great friend of the channel, very important to the channel. Can't wait. It'll be super fun. Diesel's gonna have to sit it out though, at least for a little while. He will survive, he'll just be crying inside instead. Ain't that right, big boy?
It's starting to set up already.
What?
Snow's starting to set up, that's why it's so hard to plow.
And what does that mean?
It's getting hard. That's why we gotta cut it out now before it turns into concrete. Like this.
Whoa, look at that drift. So right down there in between all the birch trees and at that one, this one, here, I'll zoom into it, this one here, that is where we got married. Yeah, right there. Alright, well I'm going to stop this video right now. I'll start it up again in a second. But, Diesel here, screaming. Gene's only going to be outside for a second, so I need to stop. Right now, I think he cries just out of principle.
Yeah, I do too.
Now, this thing right here, this flag sock thing, is because there is an airstrip. This is actually an airstrip right here. Anyone want to help me get my pilot's license? That doesn't sound good.
It wasn't all the way in there.
Huh?
Didn't go all the way in the gear.
Oh, look at that mess there. Anyway, back to the flagpole, or sock, whatever it is. That thing, in the middle of the night, if it's windy, it squeaks, and it itself sounds like a dog or an animal crying in the field. The first time I heard it, I was actually convinced there was a dog out there. I woke him up in the middle of the night. It was snow covered like this. Woke him up in the middle of the night, made him get in the car and go for a ride to see if we could find this dying animal before I realized it was the fucking sock thing. Yeah.
Windsock.
The windsock. I still hear it all the time at night, and I'm just like, you know, that's really mean. Because my instinct is to go save the dying animal, but it's just a pole. I do not need to go save the red sock. And in case y'all hadn't figured it out by now, yes, I'm blonde. But it's okay that I'm blonde, because then I can just blame the stupid moments we all have on being blonde. I call them blonde moments. It's a get out of stupid free card. Ugh, coughing hurts the rib. It's probably a good thing I quit smoking. It's been almost 3 months now since I quit smoking. I don't know if that's even partly why I'm coughing so much is because I think everything's finally, all the stuff at the very bottom is coming up. from the lungs and everything, but yeah. Coughing's still not as bad as the sneezing fit I had last night. That hurt like a mother. Yeah, it is pretty insane to see how big these snow drifts are, considering it's been 24 hours. Part of the video, us coming out through here with the Ranger being maybe 5-6 minutes long. Ow!
Sorry. My bad.
Can y'all glare at me with me? I'm glaring. Help me. Help me glare at the husband right now. Glare? All right. We all glared. All right. Good. Thank you for the community support.
Yeah.
Before Jean tried to be a widow, I was saying how I wasn't expecting this video to be so long, but oh well. I just hope y'all have stuck around to watch all of it. Got a couple of videos that I took earlier that'll get clipped in with this one, so hopefully y'all stuck around for what's probably been like 20-25 minutes at this point, because this video in itself is almost 15, so you know. Okay. I'm gonna get the fire pits.
I will take the shovel and uncover most of that fire pit for New Year's and put about, hopefully 10 times more wood than that on it.
Yeah, we're going to go out and get some firewood here shortly. I'm going to get video of that too, but it'll be separate video. I'm hoping to get this particular video up tomorrow, which would be December 23rd. So if you're watching it on the 3rd, say hey. If you're not, tell me when you did manage to find the video. Yeah, I know there's a lot of, make some comments below, da-da-da. I need that algorithm. I need you guys to make some comments, drop even just some water-related emojis below. Those are my favorite. Let's see what you got. I tend to like the water. There's a piece of wood in the ground. Yeah. I'm a water baby, always have been. Alright, so on that note, we are all going to say goodbye. Hope you have a great holiday, whatever holiday you have. I'm going to say Merry Christmas, even though I don't celebrate Christmas as Christmas. I celebrate Santa more than anything. So, Merry whatever it is to you. I hope you have a great holiday. I don't care what kind of holiday you have. I just hope it's a great one. Alright, so now, one last comment before we go. Right there, that's all you need to know. Like and subscribe for more Alaskan adventures.